New tonight, a Texas judge is refusing to shut down the DACA program despite the Trump administration's push to do so. CBS 4's Abril Preciado sat down with a local immigration attorney who explains why this is putting some recipients in limbo.
Not being able to have that one little piece of paper closed so many doors that I thought I was gonna have, be able to walk through them.
This is how many DACA recipients explain the challenges they faced before the policy Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, also known as DACA, was announced. A policy which gave individuals who were brought to the United States illegally as children the opportunity to become eligible for work permits in the country and be protected from deportation. An opportunity Orlando Diaz Ramirez took advantage of since the start.
I'm actually a first-generation student, the first generation in my family to graduate with a bachelor's, currently studying for my master's in music as well, and hoping that one day I'll get my doctor's in music.
Ramirez, who migrated from Mexico with his parents as a child, explains the road to success has not been easy, but led with several roadblocks. But thanks to DACA, he has been able to accomplish more than he imagined.
DACA gave me the voice that I knew I had, and even if they take DACA away, that voice is not going to be silenced. If anything, it's going to scream louder because it's our time to continue fighting for it.
After nearly a year since President Trump ended the program, it still exists today. In late August, U.S. District Judge Andrew Hannon decided to keep the program in place, which gives recipients the opportunity to renew. However, the fate of DACA recipients still remains in limbo today, immigration attorneys say.
So he basically is saying in his decision that he is not going to grant the injunction, so continue to do the renewals. However, ultimately he will be denying DACA, and he's basically saying this is not something for the courts to be able to grant, to allow for DACA to go forward. That's something Congress needs to. If the American people want DACA, that's something Congress needs to take care of, and he will not be ruling in favor of the DACA recipients.
They say the legal fight for DACA is not yet over. Immigration attorney Norma Sepulveda says there will be an appeal and then the Supreme Court will decide on the decision. As for Ramirez, he says all he hopes for is for there to be a road to legal status in the country he calls home.
I came to this country not knowing the language, and I was able to learn it. None of my parents had ever gone to college, and I'm a first-generation Latino graduating in a college from a university, and it's just a way to show them that if you dream it, you can achieve it.
In Harlingen, with complete Valley coverage, Abril Preciado, CBS 4 Valley Tonight.
Attorney Sepulveda recommends that all DACA recipients renew their DACA status and also speak to a certified immigration attorney for any questions related to their legal status.